Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Logan Cove Frontier. So today we're diving into a mattress that's been getting a lot of buzz in Canada. The Logan Cove Frontier Hybrid Mattress. This mattress is positioned as their upgraded luxury Eurotop hybrid. And honestly, I went into this one expecting good for the price, but not necessarily impressive. But after testing it out, I kind of get why people are calling this the affordable luxury hybrid in Canada. This thing is clearly built to solve three main problems: lumbar support, cooling, and edge support. And based on what I've seen, those are the areas where it actually delivers the strongest. So today, I'm going to break down everything: materials, performance, who it's best for, who should skip it, and then at the end, I'll tell you what I think about it personally after digesting all the research. Let's get into it. Now, if you ever tossed and turned in the middle of the night, woken up with aches, or felt your mattress just wasn't cutting it, Logan & Cove might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. With a 13.5-inch hybrid design, 5 layers of premium foams and coils, and over 2,900 micro and pocketed coils, this mattress promises to deliver comfort from head to toe. A little context: Logan & Cove is proudly made in Canada, and they've been in the business for decades. Their mattresses have earned 4.7 stars from nearly 8,000 reviews, so we're talking serious customer satisfaction. Plus, they back it up with a 365-night risk-free trial, which means you can really test it out without any pressure. So, what makes the Frontier feel so good? Let's talk layers. First, quilted Eurotop cover. Plush, soft, with cryofusion cooling nanofibers, giving a cool, breathable touch. Second, Ecolux cooling gel foam. It mimics high-density memory foam, cushions your shoulders and hips and knees, and actively pulls heat away. So this is why hot sleepers tend to do well on this mattress. Third, Aeroduct Micro Coils. Tiny responsive coils that adapt to your body and basically gives your body that cradled but lifted feeling. Fourth, premium elastics foam. Helps dampen smaller movements and helps you sinking in. Fifth, pocketed coils with reinforced edge support. Firm support all the way to the edges, perfect for couples or people who sleep near the side. Altogether, this gives a medium firm feel. Comfortable, supportive, and ideal for a wide range of sleep styles. If you sleep hot, this mattress has you covered. Between the cryofusion top, Ecolux foam, and micro plus pocketed coils, air flows through the mattress continuously. It's like having a little ventilation system built right in. No more flipping your pillow to the cool side. One of the biggest perks for couples: motion isolation. The combination of micro coils and pocketed coils absorbs movement, so if your partner tosses and turns, you're less likely to feel it. Plus, the 3-zone support system cushions shoulders and knees while giving you firmer support and under the hips to keep your spine aligned. You can get it in every standard size plus a split king. A queen is $1,299, which is pretty much the same as a mid-range foam bed, but you're getting more materials and more tech inside. Here's where it gets sweet. Logan & Cove doesn't just sell a mattress. With the Comfort Sleep Bundle, you also get 2 premium pillows, a mattress protector, flat and fitted sheets plus pillow protectors, and yes, all this comes free with your mattress purchase. So you're essentially upgrading your whole sleep setup. Ordering online is simple, and your mattress comes compressed in a box delivered right to your door. Unboxing is easy too. Carry it in with a friend, cut open the packaging, unroll, and watch it expand in minutes. You can honestly sleep on it on the same day that it arrives. And remember, the 365-night sleep trial lets you really live with the mattress before deciding. Not satisfied? Returns are free. On top of that, you're covered by a 15-year warranty, so you're protected for the long haul. Let's look at performance and testing. Temperature control, 9.2 out of 10, one of the strongest points. Between the cooling cover, Ecolux gel foam, and airflow from 2 coil layers, this mattress stays cool extremely well. Edge support, 9.7 out of 10. This is excellent. If you sit or sleep near the edge, this mattress barely collapses. Great for edge sleepers, couples, and people who want the whole mattress usable. Motion isolation, 7.1 out of 10. This is where it kind of struggles. Because it has both micro coils and pocket coils, you'll feel your partner's bigger movements. Small motions are softened by the transition foam, but anything more than that is noticeable. Pressure relief. The Eurotop plus gel foam plus micro coils equals great for side sleepers and stomach sleepers. It stays medium firm overall, but the impression feels plush. Support. The zone coils do a lot of heavy lifting. The lumbar zone specifically gives more pushback, so you're not sinking into a curve. Based on the data, the Frontier works great for Canadians who want a plush top but firm support underneath, side sleepers, stomach sleepers, anyone who needs a stronger lumbar support, hot sleepers, people who want long sleep trial, and who should skip, couples sensitive to motion, anyone who hates firm support layers, people who need a washable cover, and those on a tighter budget. Personally, this feels like a mattress made for someone who wants that luxury hotel plushness without actually spending $2,500. The Eurotop is what makes it stand out. It softens the whole experience so the mattress doesn't feel too firm, even though the support underneath is strong. The zone coils and edge support honestly feel like the strongest reasons to get it. If you've ever slept on a hybrid where the edges collapse, or the support fades in the middle, this one seems to avoid that completely. The only thing that didn't impress me is the motion isolation. If you sleep alone or you're a deep sleeper, you're in the clear. But if you're someone who wakes up every time your partner moves, that's a legit downside. Overall, it just feels like a really well-balanced hybrid for the price. I'd consider it if I wanted cooling, alignment, and a plush top without going full luxury price. So if you're ready to upgrade your sleep, check out the Logan Cove. Don't forget, the 365-night trial gives you a full year to decide, sleep better, wake up refreshed, and maybe finally kiss those restless nights goodbye. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check out the most current deals. And if you want me to compare this with another brand, just drop it in the comments. As always, if this video helped you at all, we would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, sleep well, and I'll see you in the next one.